Hey y'all, today let's talk about the 23 hours undisturbed rest. So who gets it, how do you qualify for it, and how's it applied? So who gets it? 11 and 4 boards are the only boards that have 23 hours undisturbed rest. The 6 and 2 boards do not get the 23 hours undisturbed rest. So how do you qualify for it? To get 23 hours undisturbed rest, you have to have 4 consecutive starts. So what is a consecutive start? A consecutive start is a start in which you do not have 24 hours off since your last start. So I know we all remember the 4-1, 5-1 agreement, but let's forget that because this 23 hours undisturbed rest applies to every 11 and 4 board, even the turnaround boards like Denison, Chico, and the 50 pool. So is 23 hours undisturbed rest optional? No. Every 11 and 4 board by agreement has 23 hours undisturbed rest after you tie up at the home terminal on your fourth start. So, what happens if you tie up at the hotel on your fourth start? You will get 23 hours undisturbed rest when you tie up at home, but you may have to call CMS to get that. So, we'll go over 2 scenarios. So, scenario one, you get called on your fifth consecutive start out of the hotel. Then, when you get to the home terminal and tie up, the 23 hours undisturbed rest should automatically trigger upon tie up. So, scenario two, you get more than 24 hours off while you're at the away from home terminal. This scenario will show you going to the home terminal on your first start, but you can still call CMS and get the 23 hours undisturbed rest while you're at home. So a false statement I heard recently was that you will have to call CMS every fourth start to get your 23 hours undisturbed rest. That is not correct. You should only have to call CMS if you were at the hotel on your fourth start and you had more than 24 hours off at the hotel. So if you're on an 11 and 4 board, when you tie up at the home terminal on your fourth consecutive start, you get 23 hours undisturbed rest. These starts are for trains and for deadheads. So a helpful hint is after you completed your fourth start and tie up at home, it is a good idea to look at the time you were rested to make sure you got 23 hours off. If you didn't, make sure you contact your local chairman. I hope that cleared up some things. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, or whatever. Bye.